Tomatoes are one of the best things to grow in the garden, full of flavor and so many varieties to choose from. And when they grow properly, the plants become strong, the tomatoes big, and the harvest plenty. So today, we will see how to grow them in the best way. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. That small support from you helps a lot. First, before anything else, we must prepare the soil. Tomatoes love nutrient-rich soil, so we must add a layer of fully decomposed manure, compost, or vermicompost. Why? Because this gives the plants the best start. Manure and compost improve the soil's texture, making it soft and full of life. They add essential nutrients like nitrogen, which helps in leaf and stem growth, and they also keep the soil moist for longer. Vermicompost, made by earthworms, is even more powerful, boosting plant health and helping roots absorb nutrients more effectively. If the soil is well prepared, then the plants will grow vigorously and produce more tomatoes. Now comes the planting. We have to dig holes in the ground according to the size of the seedlings. But there is an important trick. Make the holes deep enough so that the seedling stem can be buried at least halfway into the ground. This may seem unusual, but it is one of the best ways to grow strong tomato plants. Tomatoes have the special ability to grow extra roots from their stems when buried in soil. More roots mean a stronger plant, better nutrient absorption, and more stability. Before placing the seedlings in the holes, we must sprinkle something very useful: bone meal and neem cake powder. Bone meal is an excellent source of phosphorus, which is very important for root growth and flowering. When the roots are strong, the plant can absorb more nutrients and water, leading to healthy flowers and bigger, tastier tomatoes. Neem cake powder is another magical ingredient. It acts as a natural pest repellent, protecting the roots from soil-borne insects and diseases. At the same time, it improves the soil's fertility. When these two are added, the plant gets a strong start and remains safe from hidden dangers. Now, carefully remove the tomato seedlings from the seedling tray. Do not pull too hard, or the delicate roots might break. Before planting, remove the lower leaves from the seedling. This is a very important step. When we bury the stem deep into the soil, the plant will develop new roots from the buried portion. More roots mean better stability and stronger growth. This method ensures that the plant does not fall over easily and can take up more nutrients, leading to bigger and better tomatoes. Once the seedlings are in the soil, it is time to give them a good amount of water. The first watering should be generous, so that the roots settle properly. Moist soil will help the plant adjust to its new home without stress. But remember, do not flood the soil. It should be moist, not soggy. After this, keep watering regularly, making sure the soil does not dry out completely. Proper watering in the early days helps the plant grow fast and healthy. And that's it. With these simple yet powerful steps, your tomato plants will grow big and strong, producing plenty of delicious tomatoes. If you like this video, make sure to give it a like, share it with your gardening friends, and of course, subscribe to the channel for more amazing gardening tips.